should've known that it's the only way we do. 10 times out of 10, I wanna go to Bluetooth. I'ma make a movie out of you to put on YouTube. All y'all teen, y'all sweeter than a Fruit Loop. System reboot, go and put you in a new loop. 10 times out of 10, I wanna do the Bluetooth. Baby, should've known that it's the only way we do. All y'all rap about the same shit, lame shit. What was y'all when I was writing songs in the basement? They said I'm the one that's seeing ghosts on the Matrix. Still the same keys, spitting raps because ain't shit changed since I came from the place where you stayed. Mask on my face got me feeling like pain. I don't break sweat when these boys throw shade. I bathe in the sun, let me take it a race.
Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, well, today we're taking out the newly modified TONNERREY T8 for a full ride. And trust me, this thing feels completely different now. We upgraded the cockpit with proper grips, some Protaper ones, an ODI Plate, added a Baja light using the Ridstar connector, threw some RockBros Pedals on, removed the rear seat for a cleaner look, and probably the biggest upgrade of all, the SurRon full twist throttle. Honestly, that one model alone changed a lot of the experience. The throttle just feels way more instant, smoother, more connected, got rid of that slight delay that you usually feel on, you know, these hub setups. The thing now has like a rugged Super 73 Ridstar-style look, while secretly being a dual 3000 watt sleeper build. So in this video, stick around for the full ride. We're going to test out how the upgrades actually feel on the road, see how the battery performs, and talk about whether these mods are actually worth doing. Already did about 10 miles, starting around 65% battery, still came back with some power, so let's see how it does, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Alright guys, just taking the TONNERREY out after making some changes to it. Some good ones actually too. Feels really good now. Woo. And as usual, I forgot something. This time was my goggles.
Bruh.
Oh, I'm glad you didn't kill him, bro. Glad you didn't kill him. Dude, he almost got caught in your spokes, bro. No, it's all good. Don't feel bad. Nothing you could have done, bro. Hey, at least he's good. You didn't behead him or anything. Few things I did, well, I'll show you in a second. So gnarly, the bugs though, dude. So gnarly. About to hit 30 on this thing, dude. Jeez. I don't know if you guys can notice, but the throttle is different. Ooh, what happened there? Oh damn, it's super windy right here, bro. Mega wind. Gonna do a short little one today just to do some range, you know, just get an idea of range based on, I'm gonna go through level 5 mainly just because I need the speed. 3 is really good too, like if you're trying to conserve battery but still have a little bit of fun in dual motor, I think 3 is like not bad at all. With that said, I'm gonna drop it into 3 just for a second, just get around through this little area we got here. Oof. So I've done this on the other bikes and it can be bumpy. A little bit of a bump fest there. So we only got the front shocks really working on that. Some cool birds here. Very cool, the bird life. But yeah, man, here's the Tonnerre. Took off the rear seat, added a dope front Ridstar light, put some Protaper Grips on, put some stickers on, and then, dude, the big one, the RockBros Pedals, dude. These, honestly, they just do work. I feel like they're really good pickup. And they look great. Like, they look super good. Also, speedometer is super accurate to GPS. You can watch the video and see that. But yeah, tell me what you think. How's it look to you? I think it looks pretty dope. Like, went from kind of like cruiser to, okay, watch out for this fool. Which is, you know, it's nice. I mean, it does go 35, so it's nothing to be questioned. My other thing is, I'm curious if I can find a different pack, another shark pack, and maybe mount it somewhere else so I can do dual batteries on this thing, which I know you can. So I think that might be my next kind of like project, or like move on it. A few different things you can do to this, but as it is, like, after doing all this, it's great. Oh, and the SurRon Throttle. How dumb of me. I haven't mentioned. Okay. Oh, dude, and then one cool thing. Tonnerre didn't tell me this, and I didn't see it in the manual, but I didn't really read it all the way. This bike has a walking mode. So, I believe it's minus. If you hold minus and wait, it starts to walk. So then you can walk your bike. And it stays in a walking mode. And the motors kick on, but they're like super slow. You can see it's only 2 miles an hour. So, like, you know, I'm just walking it. To turn it off, though, I don't know how to figure that portion out. Let's hold it again. Oh, that's all it is. Just had to hold it again. But I'm like, is there a car behind me? I don't think so, though. Kind of doing a little bit of a time trial. Sounds crazy, but in terms of trying to get to this spot before sunset, and I'm just trying to do it to see if I can, because the thing is, on the Talaria, on the Drax, those whips are fast, you know. This one's fast too, but you're limited. On your left. I feel bad sometimes. I'm sure they're like, wow, look at this guy dead pedaling. Oh wow, are we running out of battery like that? We are. Oh damn. Okay, well, now I put myself in a predicament that I don't love. Alright, so now that we gotta get home, I think I'm just gonna leave this guy in single motor to help. And I think we're gonna do I guess let's see mode 5 sag. If we sag to 1 bar, we're not. I think we'll be okay. Because with 1 motor I can still do 20s. But I probably should max it to be generous and efficient is the word. But yeah, man, pinout is direct for Ridstar lights. So I think that it uses the same Juliet connectors, and I'll put them on the screen here. And the connectors are for the lights and accessories and stuff like that. And what's nice about the Ridstar lights, like this one, is if you just buy one and toss one on, you don't need the step down, which is the issue for some lights, like a SurRon light. SurRon lights need a step down converter because that's what they have from the factory. So this guy doesn't have a step down converter. It's just converts to direct voltage and steps it down on its own, or just converts it on its own, however it does it. But yeah, it's just nice that I was able to plug and play and didn't have to do too much for the first time in a while, which is really nice. So yeah, you know, if you can honestly probably just get Ridstar stuff for this bike. It works pretty well. Damn, a bee or something just flew straight into the bike. I heard it smack it pretty hard. Not bad.
Siente el tembleque.
What?
Hey guys, well, not gonna lie, the build came out way better than I expected, and it was a little easier than some of the other stuff I've been doing. The rear seat delete kind of really changed the profile of the bike. The Baja light gives it that rugged look, and then the SurRon full twist throttle really transforms the riding experience, and that snappy response. Feels smoother, more responsive, and way more connected when you ride. The throttle delay is basically gone, and it just feels more aggressive overall. We ended up doing 10 miles on this ride, starting at about 68% battery, maybe 70. By the end of the ride, we still had about a bar and a half, 2 bars left. So honestly, range seems pretty solid so far. I'm definitely going to do a full real world range test soon, plus more upgrades and content on this build. And if you're thinking about picking up the TONNERREY T8 yourself, use code MAX150 on the TONNERREY store for $150 off, making this thing an absolute steal, around $950 bucks. 60 volt, 3000 watts, dual motor unit. Well, appreciate you guys watching. And if you watched to the end, thank you. Really close to 20k subs. Didn't think we'd do it. I didn't even think I'd be doing this, but thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Siente el tembleque.
What?
que siente el tembleque. What?